Okay, well, what's up, everyone? It's November 5th. It's Guy Fawkes night, bonfire night for all you guys in the UK. We're going to do a couple of these fireworks. I'm going to probably, at least I'm going to do the Mighty Cobra, which is right here. It says what it does. Shoots loud, crackling comets high into the sky. And then followed by that, we're going to do the Galaxy Warrior and then the Cuckoo Fountain. But we'll probably do the Cuckoo Fountain first. And then we'll do the Galaxy Warrior by Legend. And then we're going to finish it off with the Mighty Cobra 19 shots by Shogun. Okay, it's a happy Guy Fawkes night for the guys in the UK that subscribe to me. We're going to start off with the Cuckoo Fountain. Then we're going to go with the Galaxy Warrior. And then we're going to go with the 19 shot Mighty Cobra. Cuckoo Fountain. Happy Guy Fawkes night, everyone in the UK. All right, we're going with the Galaxy Warrior. Here comes the Galaxy Warrior. Gonna follow this up with the Mighty Cobra. Hope you guys like it. Galaxy Warrior. Okay, here comes the Mighty Cobra. This one's going to be a little more energetic for you guys. Hope you like it. Mighty Cobra, here it comes. Happy Guy Fawkes night, everyone in the UK. Here comes the Mighty Cobra. Mighty Cobra, nice. Happy Guy Fawkes night, everyone in the UK. Yellow Groove. Well, that was pretty awesome. All the tubes fired. Nice.